This is a beginner-friendly tutorial for making an easy headbands that you can tie on with ribbons. You can even make this quick sewing project with matching scraps of fabric that perfectly coordinate with your handmade garments or other accessories. So you want to cut out 4 pieces of fabric. I cut out 2 in lining and 2 for the front, and then 2 long strips for the ribbon. You'll also want to cut out pieces of interfacing. So what you're going to do is you're going to sew each section together and then apply the interfacing. If you are using fabric for your ribbons, double fold the ribbon pieces so that it's folded in quarters with the raw edges on the inside. And then sew down the length of the ribbons. Baste the ribbons to either side, then sandwich the ribbons between the 2 layers and sew them together. Make sure the ribbons are in between the layers and don't get stuck in the seam. You'll also want to make sure that you leave a small gap in the center when you're sewing the layers together so that you can flip to the right side. Next, you're going to clip and trim the curves and then turn to the right side. And sew up the gap. And that's it, you finished.